I just found a way where you can create publish ready videos with just a simple text prompt using ChatGPT, and it's going to blow your mind. OpenAI just launched the new GPT store, and using this simple GPT called Video Maker by InVideo, you can create videos from within ChatGPT itself without ever having to script, record, or edit anything. The GPT will do everything for you, from creating an engaging script to finding relevant footage to adding background music, subtitles, and even a human sounding voiceover in a single click. And you can even make changes to the generated video with simple text commands. Now, in order to start using it, simply log into your ChatGPT Plus account, and here in the left menu, click on Explore GPTs. In the search window that comes up, simply type InVideo and click on the option that says Video Maker by InVideo. This will open up the custom GPT window where you can start typing in your prompt. Just like any ChatGPT prompt, the more detailed it is, the better your results will turn out to be. Keeping that in mind, here is how we will write the prompt for this one. Create a YouTube short on the similarities between the universe and humans. Duration should be under 45 seconds. Start the video by talking about how mind-blowing the similarities are, and then directly jump into showing the visual similarities, like how similar the Helix Nebula and the human eye look. Don't give long explanations, just make it a simple listicle. Conclude the video by saying that regardless of whether these similarities mean anything, they are definitely fascinating. Use a British female voice and cinematic music. Now, as you can see, I have included a few key details in the prompt that I'd also recommend for you to use while you're writing yours. A, the platform, ours is YouTube Shorts. B, the topic of the video in as much detail as you can. C, the duration of the video. D, the tone of voice and the style of scripting. And E, the tonality of the voiceover. Now, when you click enter, ChatGPT will ask you for permission to connect to InVideo AI. Click confirm on that, and then within a few minutes, you will have a link that takes you to the video. Click on that link and that will take you to InVideo. Here you can simply sign up for free using your Gmail credentials. And once you do, it will directly open with a window where InVideo will be analyzing your prompt, and in just a few seconds, it will generate your first draft. Let's take a look.
Brace yourselves for a mind-bending journey as we delve into the uncanny resemblances between the cosmos and us humans. First up, the Helix Nebula, often compared to a giant human eye.
Isn't that impressive? In just a few seconds of typing the prompt, InVideo AI has created a very high quality video that can be published on Shorts as is without any edits. It has turned our inputs into an engaging and super relevant script with a human sounding voiceover. It has matched every line of text with hyper relevant stock footage from premium sources like Shutterstock and iStock that come free with InVideo AI. It has added important text as subtitles on the screen, and it has cut and edited all of this in sync with the voiceover to give us a ready to publish video. You can now choose to export and publish this video as is, but if you want to edit the video, you can do that very easily and very quickly using this command box under the preview screen and giving the AI additional prompts. I, for instance, want to change the voiceover to sound like Morgan Freeman. Let's give it a listen.
Brace yourselves for a mind-bending journey as we delve.
Next, I want to add subtitles. That was super quick. And finally, I wanted to add a follow CTA in the end. And it has added all of that without me having to rewrite the script or change any media. In case you give it a prompt and you don't like the results, you can always press this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and try again. And now, in case you want to make specific changes to the video, like changing a part of the script or changing a particular clip, you can use this edit option right below the canvas. Choose the script tab to make changes to the script, like shortening sentences or changing a word or spelling. I just want to tweak the CTA a little bit, and done. And if you want to change specific clips, you can choose the edit media option. Just click on the clip that you don't like and then search the stock library for another one. Once you find it, simply click on it and it will get placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. And with that, our video is done. Let's preview our final results.
Brace yourselves for a mind-bending journey as we delve into the uncanny resemblances between the cosmos and us humans. First up, the Helix Nebula, often compared to a giant human eye staring back at us from space. Next, we have the intricate network of galaxies which look eerily similar to the web of neurons in our brains. If you look at the Milky Way, you will see a striking similarity to the structure of DNA in our bodies. What's more, the average galaxy has about 100 billion stars, which is very close to the 86 billion neurons in the human brain. It's also super cool that everything us humans are made of came from stars billions of years ago that exploded. And those explosions actually look exceptionally similar to the birth of a cell. Whether this likenesses holds any profound significance or simply serve as reminders of our interconnectedness with the universe, one thing is certain: they are undeniably fascinating. And if you're just as fascinated as us, follow along on this exploration.
Now for the verdict. What did you think of it? How easy is it to use Video Maker and ChatGPT itself? All you need to do is input your prompt and you get a full-fledged video in minutes. You can access Video Maker GPT from the GPT store by using the link given in the description. And once you're happy with the results, just go ahead and click on Export. You can create up to 4 videos a week for free to begin with, but if you're really serious about your content creation journey and you want to publish videos without a watermark, I highly recommend you upgrade to a paid plan which starts as low as $20 a month. Once your video is rendered, you can download it and then upload it to your channel. Simply use Video Maker by InVideo to create and regularly publish videos like this to grow your YouTube presence. And don't forget to check out these videos next to learn how to create other types of videos using InVideo.